Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will be exploring one of the core features in ERPNext, and that is projects. Projects help you plan, track, and manage your work efficiently, whether you're handling client deliverables, internal initiatives, or research-based work. A project is basically a planned piece of work aimed at achieving a specific goal, like developing a new product, completing a service delivery, or improving an internal process. Projects in ERPNext are task driven, meaning you can break them down into multiple tasks that define what needs to be done and who is responsible for each part. For example, if your project is to launch a new smartphone, the tasks could include designing, prototyping, testing, and delivery, each assigned to the right team or individual. This structure helps ensure that every part of your project is clearly defined and tracked. Let's now take a closer look at how to create and manage a project in ERP Next. To access projects, go to Home, scroll down to the projects, and here select the project. Creating a new project in ERPNext is simple and streamlined. At the top right corner, you can see the Add Project. If you click on it, a new project will be created. Now we have to fill in the key project details. Give your project a clear and descriptive title. This is how your project will appear in reports and dashboards. Let's say ERPNext tutorial development. Status. By default, the status is set to open, but you can change it to completed or cancelled as needed. ERPNext can also update the status automatically based on task completion. Expected end date. Set the target completion date. This helps in planning, tracking, and identifying delays. Once all these details are filled, click Save to create your project. ERPNext includes several enhancements to make project setup more flexible and powerful. For instance, there is a field from template. You can select a saved project template to automatically load tasks, durations, and the dependencies. This saves time and ensures consistency across similar projects. Similarly, start and end date, define your project timeline. ERPNext automatically calculates the duration and even flags milestones that fall on holidays or non working days, helping you plan realistically. Project type. Categorize your project as internal or external, R&D, or any other type relevant to your organization. In version 15, project types can be color coded, so visual tracking in Gantt or Kanban views becomes easier. Priority. Assign importance labels like low, medium, high, or urgent. Priority flags are visible in Kanban and task cards, helping teams focus on what matters most. Department. Link the project to a department responsible for execution and reporting. You can filter project data by department in reports like profitability analysis and project timeline. Is active. Toggle this switch to make mark a project as active or archived. Archived projects remain in the system for historical tracking but will not appear in default lists. Completion method. Choose how project completion is calculated. Manual. Enter completion percentage manually. Task completion means based on how many tasks are finished. Task progress based on average task progress. Task weight based on weighted task importance. In ERPNext, there is also an automation where if 75% or more tasks are completed, the system can automatically update the project's status to completed. Let us now explore the key features of the project module in ERPNext and how they help manage every aspect of your projects from customers and costing to progress tracking and profitability. Task weights and progress calculation in ERPNext project completion can be automatically calculated based on task weights. If the total weight of all the tasks is not equal to 100, the system adjusts the percentage proportionally. For example, if the total weight of the task is 70, the completion percentage will be calculated as 70 divided by zero point 0.8, giving you 87.5% progress. This ensures project completion tracking remains accurate even when weights are distributed unevenly. Customer users and comments. The customer association field allows you to link a project directly with the customer record. This way, every update, task, and financial record automatically ties back to the customer, keeping communication, reporting, and billing streamlined. If your project is linked to a sales order, ERPNext can fetch related details automatically. This helps you update the client on progress as per the issued sales order. You can also add website users such as clients, freelancers, or vendors, giving them control access to the project through the portal. They can view progress, upload attachments, or comment depending on the permissions assigned. When adding new users, ERPNext allows you to send a welcome email with login credentials and progress access details. You can also define user level permissions to restrict what each participant can view or edit. The notes section gives you space to record internal remarks, meeting notes, or special instructions visible to all authorized users, promoting better collaboration and transparency. The expected dates helps in planning and resource allocation while the actual dates are automatically filled using timesheet data. For example, the actual start date is pulled from the earliest timesheet submitted for the project and the actual end date comes from the latest timesheet. This automation gives you accurate real-time visibility into how long a project actually took without any manual tracking. Costing and billing, ERPNext makes it easy to monitor financial through several automated fields. The estimated cost, enter a planned or budgeted amount to compare against actual costs later. Total sales amount automatically fetched from the linked sales orders to reflect expected revenue. Total costing amount calculated automatically from timesheets based on employee hourly rates. Total billable amount generated from billable timesheet entries, ensuring precise client billing. Total billed amount VIA sales invoice shows the total value of sales invoice linked to the project. Total purchase cost reflects vendor or material costs from associated purchase invoices. Total consumed material cost calculates the value of stock items issued or consumed for the particular project. These features gives you a complete picture of project expenses, income and profitability all updated automatically. Margin calculation. ERPNext automatically calculates the gross margin and gross profit percentage for each project. This gives you an accurate view of how much profit your project has generated after considering all direct costs. With automatic real time calculation, you can continuously track your project's financial performance and take action to maintain profitability. Lastly, track progress. ERPNext allows you to enable progress monitoring for ongoing projects. When the collect progress option is selected, the system regularly gathers progress updates from project members, ideal for long or critical projects. You can configure a holiday list to ensure reports exclude non working days and set a reporting frequency, whether hourly, twice daily, daily, or weekly, based on your project needs. These advanced features make ERPNext projects a comprehensive management system linking people, performance, costs, and progress into one unified workflow. And that's it. Using projects in ERPNext, we can stay organized, improve visibility, and deliver work on time with accuracy and consistency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ERP Next tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.